Okay, so they say use the mass from part A, right? So this is 5.00 kilograms. This guy's 4.3 kilograms, right? And then we see an acceleration of 3.50 meters per second squared. So what is the force of friction between this and the plane? We're trying to find that guy there. An interesting problem. Okay, so let's figure out what we can figure out, and hopefully this stuff will fall in our lap. So first thing is let's find that force of gravity. So 4.3 times 9.81 is 42.183. Right, and then there's the tension is acting up, right? So for B, our formula is simply 42.183 equals, whoops, minus the tension, right, equals 4.3 times 3.5, right? Because we know the acceleration, right? Well, that's kind of handy, right? This is this minus this, right? Is this times this, right? So therefore, what do? I guess what we do is we say that T is 42.183 minus 4.3 times 3.5 equals T. So what does that equal? So this guy minus 4.3 times 3.5, 27.133. Okay, hey, this is I definitely feel good about this, right? So now, oh, no, but that's not the answer. Okay, so let's look at A, the situation for A. I think we have to figure out the parallel force, right? So A has got mg sine theta acting down the plane. So 5 times 9.81 times sine of 21 degrees. 9.81 times sine of 21. And that's 17.578 acting down the plane, right? Acting down the plane, right? And then we have the tension acting down the plane, right? Okay, and then we've got this guy acting up the plane, right? Okay, and then we know the acceleration. So I think we're in very good shape. I think we can find that guy. So our unknown forces are, okay, now I'm still going to do, I guess I'm sort of torn between, unknown forces always positive. I think I'm just going to say these guys are positive, right? The tension, which we know to be this, right? So I'm going to say 17.578 plus 27.133 minus F, right, equals, let's see, that guy is 5 times, and then the acceleration is 3.5. We've done a weird thing. We've made things down the plane positive because I'm using the inclined plane thing. I'm making my unknown negative. I really hope you're following this, right? And then that equals 5 times this. Because remember, on pulley problems, you decide the direction that's positive is that way, right? Okay? See, so it's always protagonist minus antagonist. Protagonist, this guy's causing the acceleration minus this guy is preventing it, right? Okay, so where does that leave us? Okay, so 27.133. Okay, so that guy plus 27.133. 44.7109 minus F equals then 5 times 3.5, right? So therefore F is equal to 44.7109 minus 5 times 3.5, right? So minus 5 times 3.5. 27.2. Yay! Almost thought we had the answer when we got to there, but it's not the answer. We're solving for this. All right, there you go. So again, you just sort of set it up and hope that the thing that you're looking for will fall in your lap.